Hello everybody, I'm Prasanna, first year information science and engineering student. My topic is script vision filmmaking goggles in this innovation design and thinking workshop. Uh, the product description of this script vision goggles is the script vision goggles are groundbreaking innovation in the field of filmmaking designed to revolutionize the way of filmmaking interaction with scripts. These high technology combine advanced augmented reality technology with instructive script management software to provide an immersive and efficient filmmaking experience. This is an acing process of handling the scripts. This helps to uh, see both the actions of of an actor who is performing and for a director who is watching both the scripts and the actor. The features of these script vision filmmaking goggles are AR scripts display. This goggle contains transparent display with a lightweight design. Wearing these goggles, filmmakers can view the script directly in their field of vision, overlaying text onto their surrounding. This makes the elimination of need of physical or paper scripts or digital screens, allowing filmmakers to work with full engagement with their environment. This um, goggles actually has two layers, which is used to see the actors with the director's vision and also the script, uh, which is a two-way thing which we can see the script as well as the actor. And the next is collaboration. This glass will make a scan to highlight important lines and add personal notes, or also we can make changes in the scripts digitally, all written digital air interface. This covers all the collaboration by allowing multiple users to connect and work on scripts, such as for directors and associates, DOPs, and team members. Uh, this is not only for directors. We can also suggest filmmakers such as DOPs, associates, with the whole crew. This helps to. Uh, this is an interactive thing which uh, combines everyone, uh, collaboration thing. And the next thing is script navigation. It includes voice control, which helps to navigate through the scripts. Also, hand gestures are included to navigate through scene to scene by swiping. These goggles also have got the voice control, which just like we use uh, Google, Google Assistant, and Amazon's Alexa and Apple Siri. Just like their idea, we also have this idea in this goggles, and we can also use this swipe up or swipe down gestures to navigate through the scripts. The fourth point is storyboarding. These powers helps to get more ideas on the field work, while directors can get suggestions such as lighting, camera angles, and visual effects. Most of the camera apps will come with the suggestions of lighting and balancing the angle and alignment. Just like that, we have also included the suggestions such as camera lighting angles and camera angles, and which also helps to have another extra idea for filmmakers to uh, go through the filmmaking process. And the fifth point is post production and pre production. Script vision goggles integrate with existing filmmaking software and tools. Filmmakers can synchronize their goggle with editing software, production scheduling applications, or even remove collaboration platforms. This comes with integrated existing filmmaking software, which if we need the scripts, uh, we can manage the schedules based on the scripts and the based on the call sheet of actors, which also helps to manage the in this comes during the pre-production thing, and also it helps to and we can also have this in post-production thing, which helps in during the editing process or etc etc. And the sixth point is accessibility and customization. Filmmakers can have a customized script for viewing according to the preferences such as font size, color, font style, etc. This also includes language settings and enhancing the inclusivity in the industry. Um, just like we have our own settings for fonts and languages and their colors in phone, just like that, we can also have the our own customized text or the scripts on our glass according to our need. Like some people like some colors, or also some people have got color blindness, etc., etc. Just like that, which helps to be convenient. And the conclusion of this product, the script vision goggles gives convenience to efficiency and creativity to filmmaking process. The script management becomes easy as it is saved as soft copies, not as hard copies. Sometimes we miss some scripts pages in which will also affect while during the filmmaking process. And this allows filmmakers to focus on their craft, and execution of visions becomes easy. And the prototype of this product is like this. This is the back end or the back side of the product, which is a shaded one. Just acts as a cooling thing for this goggle, which protects from sunlight and all. And this is a main glass, and this is where the text of the scripts comes on. And yes, this is the whole thing, which is here, which comes here. And uh, and that's it. The product of this drawing script vision goes like this. And thank you, thank you, on and all. That's it for my presentation.